Hi, your good name?
My name is Girjesh Kumar Singh.
Okay, what's the speciality of this medium?
So these are bricks and mortar from demolished constructions.
Okay.
The buildings which were raised, I picked those bricks from there.
Oh,
So that's how the material always has this cement part attached to it.
okay.
So the story is that when it was into a construction, there was a binder which used to bind it into a construction. But when it moves out of that construction, the binder still comes along with you, and that gives it an identity where it has come from.
Okay.
And that's what I wanted to utilize this medium for. That it says that human story, that when we migrate, when we go somewhere, move somewhere, we always carry the
Background.
binder or the emotions
Yeah.
which used to bind us into our family, our village, our country. So those are the binders of us which used to bind, and when we leave for whatever reason, we leave forcefully, we leave with our will, but still it's painful, and even if it is our own decision, we have to leave behind something,
Yeah.
but something decides to come along with us,
We carry those emotions.
yeah, that's how it provides you an identity. It
Okay.
tells you
Yeah.
who you are, because means I might, if I leave all my history behind, then my name won't be sufficient to tell who I am.
Yeah.
So that is the idea about
Very interesting. Yeah. What are the tools?
this is carving. So I use normally all those tools for which we use to do a stone carving, and I have developed my own small tools which I do detailing.
Okay. So where did you study art?
And I studied art in Banaras in the university and Baroda. I did my masters in Baroda and bachelor's in Banaras.
Very good. Very interesting sculptures. I thought first terracotta, they are made out of terracotta, but it has a history.
It looks like terracotta because brick is technically terracotta
Yeah.
only. So in first sight you feel like this is terracotta, but I have picked it because of that connection of the medium with, I mean, house, building or raising, whatever, it has lots of emotions attached to it.
Yeah.
And then when you are using that medium, you get that support from the medium itself, that it speaks something. It whatever visual you create, it carries that sense of belonging, sense of that breakage, or it's like it has a backdrop of its own, that whatever I have made is just
It's not out of brick, it has that background.
it has a backdrop, no, it has it has a story to tell. I have been able to make a face, that is one thing, but this face is telling you something because of that medium itself. Like
Very interesting.
that is what interests me to use this medium.
Very unique also. Normally, so someone's portraits you did?
No, these are not portraits. These
Scenes like
they always grow according to the
size of that.
size of the brick and whatever. I mean, when I start carving, I decide some things, like I want to make this kind of person who will have this kind of mustache, this kind of hairstyle, or this kind of, like, normally beyond this installation, I have done lots of different kind of people. So maybe I'll decide I want to make a Sardar looking person. Okay, I will make African character or
Okay.
who have this kind of hairstyles, this kind of. So
Yeah.
people like we deliberately decide to
costume.
look like whatever we look like.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So that is one, like we carry that identity who we are, like when we want to see us into a mirror, we want to look like something. And there are sometimes there are some traditional things, there are some
Modern,
fashion things.
yeah.
So we decide to carry that.
Yeah.
That's why, like, I basically pick those notes. Like somebody keeps that kind of mustache or that kind of cap he wears.
Okay.
So I want to make
Inspiration.
that. That character.
Yeah.
And then when I
Carve it.
carve it a little, like what will be his features and all,
That will come
it
out.
comes out
Yeah.
slowly.
I know.
Like there are these small air pockets and all that. So they sometimes decide the look, final look of that character. The skin which I get, it comes out very spontaneously. And if there is some impurity in some spot, I can't do anything to it. I have to leave and accept, and that's how it becomes like surprising for me also, that I have not, when I decided to make this, I have not
No idea what's
conceived
inside.
it in actual shape. I had a thought to make something like this, but then it will be a surprise for me also how it will finally look. So it gives me back. I create it, but I get that.
How it reacts on the expanded.
Within half and half with me and the material.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.